Hello guys! In this part of Microsoft Word features, I will show you how to work with themes. If you remember, in the last videos we worked with styles and changed the style of title, subtitle or the text. But we can change all of this at one place. When you click Design, you can select from the set styles your current new style. So as you can see, there is many style sets. And for example, let's click this one. My style set is now blue with the blue backgrounds and text is still Calibri, I think. Now, when you click themes, you can change your color set of the style set. For example, to green or to red. Let's go with orange one. The main color, as you can see behind the subtitles and also color of the title, is now orange. And as you can see, all my style set are also changed. You can change your color set through here easily, for example to orange, red, yellow and any other theme. Also you can change your font types here. You have now Calibri and you can change it to, say, Franklin Gothic medium. You can also change paragraph spacing and style your theme as you want. When you are finished and you have your new theme set, also through Home and Styles, only thing you have to do to save new theme is click Theme and click to save current theme. As you can see, your theme is then easily saved as a new theme and you can use it in the future. Okay guys, so this is probably everything I want to tell you about the themes. If you like the video or have any comments, you can leave in the comment section and I will try to answer them. And we will see in the next video. Bye!